Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this REALME GT 2 Pro smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can share the Wi-Fi password and Wi-Fi network in general on this device. So first of all, you gotta open up the Wi-Fi settings by swiping down onto the control and notification panel. Go for the Wi-Fi settings. Here choose the network that you would like to share the password of. In my case it's HardReset.Info 5G network. Press on this I sign, expand its settings. And here at the very top you can see this Wi-Fi QR code category. Tap on it, and now all that it's left to do is to take the second smartphone. In my case it's this Nokia Android smartphone, and scan or read this QR code. You would either have the built-in QR code scanner, or your camera will be able to scan such codes by the default. In my case I need to open up the camera, choose the Google Lens, and here align my shot so that the QR code will be at this frame. And after that, just tap on this QR code, press on join network, and as you will see right now, our Nokia will successfully connect and join the HardReset.Info 5G network. As you can see, it has already connected to it. So that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. And bye.